Alana here from the Fancy Navajo. I hope you guys are doing well and you enjoyed the last video on how to make an iced cinnamon dulce latte. But if you did miss that video, I'll go ahead and link it down below so you can watch it. Today we're back here in my kitchen, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make an apple cranberry salad. It is so delicious, and it includes a honey vinaigrette, which I'll also be showing you how to make. I love making my own salad dressings. They're super simple, and you can change up the ingredients for whatever type of salad you're making. And this salad also has some feta cheese in it, as well as some jicama. I think it's the perfect summer salad, so if that sounds yummy to you, follow along with me and I will show you how to make this. And as always, the full recipe can be found on thefancynavajo.com. And if you do make this, please make sure to tag me on my social media channels at The Fancy Navajo on Instagram and at The Fancy Navajo blog on Facebook. So I just love seeing all of your beautiful creations, and I just want you guys to be fancy too. So let's go ahead and make this delicious salad. Alrighty, let's get started. So for this recipe, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You're also going to need 4 large handfuls of spinach, half a cup of apples, 1/4 cup of thinly sliced jicama, half a cup of crumbled feta cheese, and 1/4 cup of pecans and dried cranberries, and half a cup of celery. So first we're going to start off with making our salad dressing. I already went ahead and added my 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and now I'm going to add in my 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And anytime I make a vinaigrette, I like to do 2 parts oil to 1 part vinegar. This just makes sure there's a balance in flavors. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our 1 tablespoon of honey. I like using this brand here. It's from Colorado. Now that we've added in our oil, vinegar, and honey, we're going to whisk it all together until it's fully combined. Sometimes I like to use a blender or my hand mixer, but today my tiny gold whisk is going to save the day. And one thing I did forget was to add a pinch of salt, so we're just going to whisk that in until it's fully combined. And there you go, you have your own homemade honey vinaigrette. I love making my own salad dressings because you can basically change it up to whatever you have in your pantry. Now on to assembling our salad. We're just going to take all those ingredients and we're going to add it into our large salad bowl. I did film myself cutting all of these vegetables, but to be honest, my knife skills aren't that great, so I spared you guys some time. And this salad is actually inspired by one of my favorite bakeries here in Arizona. It's called Essence Bakery, and they make the most wonderful apple cranberry salad, like the one we're making here today. I love how we have all these beautiful colors in our salad bowl right now. It is so pretty and it looks delicious. Now we're going to add in our homemade honey vinaigrette. Yum, it looks so good. I know I have these fancy wooden salad tossers here, but I'm filming this one-handed, so I'm going to use these tongs to combine all of our fancy ingredients. I love all these combinations of flavors. It is so delicious, and like I said before, it is the perfect summer salad. You'll have to give this a try. And there you have it, your very own apple cranberry salad with your homemade honey vinaigrette dressing. It looks so good, I can't wait to dig in. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe and feel inspired to make your own salad. As always, the full recipe can be found on thefancynavajo.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Take care, and until next time, bye!